Welcome to another episode of Decalogues. Today we are at another beautiful deco home at Rohiniksha, proudly owned by Subhi and Kirti. This home has a vernacular theme with a royal touch. The false ceiling in the living room is made of vinip, providing an aesthetically pleasing and completely unique look while complementing the light colored walls splendidly. The TV unit has disconnected ledges with dark brown vinip. Continuing the tone of the living room, the dining room has cream-colored walls, ceiling flanked with cove lights and two crockery units that is made of vinip. The minimalist study boasts of a vibrant blue wall with stencil painting against a well-balanced white walls, ceiling and floor. The minimalistic yet stylish bedroom is all about comfort and peace. The textured wall and ceiling stands well complemented with a wood textured floor. Aristo is used for the wardrobes along with wooden finish laminates running in the center. This minimalist yet enthusiastically designed kid's bedroom is sure to evoke some strong memories and feelings of a child. The modern and contemporary kitchen with high gloss laminates represents a perfect mix of colors red, cream and white. The red glossy laminates used for the cabinets superbly stands out against the Korean countertops. We'll be back with more Decalogues from Decapod.